Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install Hyper-V integration services in Linux VM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Many modern Linux distributions already include Hyper-V Linux Integration Services, LIS, by default, eliminating the need for manual installation. However, if your Linux VM does not have LIS pre-installed, you can follow these steps. Install LIS from the Linux repository, Debian-based distributions, for Debian 10+, Buster, Bullseye, Bookworm, and Ubuntu. LIS is already included in the kernel, so you may not need to install anything. However, if you want additional optimizations for Ubuntu running on Hyper-V or Azure, install the Linux Azure kernel. For Debian 12, Bookworm, the Hyper-V daemons package is not available, but LIS modules are already built into the kernel. You can manually enable them if needed. To verify LIS is running, for Debian 9 and older, you must manually enable LIS modules. To verify LIS is running, Red Hat-based distributions, for RHEL 7 and newer, LIS is built into the kernel, so manual installation is not required. However, if needed, install LIS using Then, enable and start the LIS services. To verify LIS is running, Arch-based distributions, LIS is not officially supported by Microsoft, but you can manually install the required modules. Manually load LIS modules. To verify LIS is running, System services, HVF copy, HVVM bus, etc., are not required for Arch-based distributions. OpenSUSE-based distributions, LIS is included in the kernel, but you may need to install additional tools. Then, enable LIS services. Alternatively, manually load LIS modules. To verify LIS is running, adjust screen resolution in Hyper-V. If your Linux VM screen resolution is incorrect, modify grub settings. Open a terminal and edit the grub configuration. Find the line that starts with grub cmd line Linux default, and modify it to include a resolution setting. Save the file and update grub. Copy-paste challenges in Hyper-V console. If you notice that copy-paste isn't working in a Linux VM running on Hyper-V, remember that Enhanced Session Mode is only available for Windows VMs. The default Hyper-V Virtual Machine Connection tool, VM Connect, offers limited clipboard functionality for Linux guests. Workarounds: use an RDP connection. Install an RDP server like XRDP to get full clipboard, drive, and peripheral redirection. Use network file sharing. Set up Samba or NFS for file transfers. Use cloud-based clipboard syncing. Services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or SyncThing can help. After installation, your Linux VM should have better integration with Hyper-V, including Improved networking, dynamic memory support, seamless interaction with the host system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.